What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, in the last like 12 hours, or even I guess a little bit more than that, about 24 hours, we've been seeing things that have been moving in the crypto market. And it's great to see all of the green that we have been seeing. From last weekend to this weekend, we're seeing a lot of green. Yes, we did have one red day with a little bit of sour news that came with it, but a recovery that came right after that. And things are looking absolutely phenomenal today. Now, I'm not sure when this is getting posted. I'm pretty sure this is getting posted as soon as possible, somewhere around 8 or 9 o'clock a.m. But I'm recording this at 7 o'clock. I just want to let you know that all the videos that I record today is recorded somewhere around between 7 and 8 o'clock today. So if you don't see things that are absolutely skyrocketing then, or you see it at a much higher price from where I released this video, understand that it's because I recorded it a lot earlier. But cryptocurrency, like I said, have been moving, and I wanted to get into the fact that it is exploding, what's moving today, what we can look at, what we can keep an eye on in the last 24 hours, 7 days, all of these different things that we need to know within the crypto space. But just know that we hit a $1 trillion market cap. And did we just hit a $1 trillion market cap? No, we surpassed a $1 trillion market cap, and we're on the road to 1.1 trillion dollars. That's how much of a move we have been seeing in the last 24 hours. So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links that are down below, my referral links, you can check those out. If you want to go and subscribe to Patreon, I've been posting a few videos over there. I do have another video that's coming out later today, somewhere around 10 o'clock. So probably right after this video comes out. So definitely go ahead and subscribe to the Patreon, and we're going to have a bunch of different content that's over there. So anyways, let's talk about the crypto market today. Let's look at where it is and let's have a discussion about it. So currently the crypto market, as of the time recording this, we're up about 7%, 7.17%. We're seeing the market cap at 1.05 trillion. We're over $1 trillion by $50 billion here. So there's a lot of movement that we have seen in the markets. We went from a $965 billion market cap all the way up to a $1.05 billion market cap, moving a hell of a lot here, right? Almost $100 billion there. If you look at Bitcoin's dominance, this is interesting because typically Bitcoin's dominance has been decreasing, but we're seeing more and more people that are buying a lot of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's dominance is up about 1% over the last 24 hours. It's up to 42.28%. Not saying like we were down to 38% at one point with Bitcoin's dominance, and now Bitcoin is showing a lot of strength lately and pushing up, past the 40% mark, past the 42% mark. And, now we're seeing it at a very, very comfortable state. Still do believe that Ethereum will make a move above that with the massive use case that it does have. But Bitcoin is seeing a lot of traction and a lot of investors, outside investors that are coming in and buying fresh, buying new, seeing how much this has potential to move and where it's going to go. And they're buying into that position. So anyways, that's where the market looks as a whole and how much it is up. If you look at Bitcoin, again, it's up about 9% in the last 24 hours, 11% in the last 7 days. We're seeing Ethereum that's up 7% in the last 7 days, almost 8%, 6% in the last 24 hours. You're seeing BNB that's up 5% and actually only up 0.24% in the last 7 days. So it hasn't really moved. I actually saw this at a level of 304, when Bitcoin was at 21. Bitcoin was also at 20. And I saw this at 304, 305. So BNB hasn't really moved too much. I would say out of anything that's really, really consistent, I would say BNB is probably the most consistent, while everything else has dropped by 70 or 80%, all the way down from like Ethereum from 5,000 down to about 800, or Bitcoin from 69,000 down to about 15,000. So while things have dropped 80%, BNB really only dropped a max of like 60%, 66 or something percent. So it hasn't dropped as much as other things. It seems like all it did was get split in half. So it looks like it only dropped about 50%. But it was about 60% from the high of about $700 or so. If we scroll down here, we're going to see XRP is up slightly, about 5% or about 5% over the last 7 days. So that really hasn't been a major movement. It's been the major movement in the last 24 hours, but that's it. Cardano is up about 8% in the last 24 hours or 4% in the last 7 days, less in the last 7 days, meaning that it did get hit pretty hard by that downward turn that we saw in the market. Dogecoin is up by 7%. Solana is up by 19%. That's pretty big. You're seeing, but it is down 13% or up 13% in the last 7 days. Polkadot up 7%, Shiba Inu up 7%, up to that 0.00001223 mark. If we scroll down here, we're going to see Avalanche that's up 7.4%. Still only up about 1 or 2% in the last 7 days here. Anything else notable that has moved, right? Cosmos is up 6%, Chainlink is up 7%. We can go down here and see Stellar 7%, OKB that's up 14%, Aptos is up 52%, ApeCoin up 5%. And a lot of other things that are up a hell of a lot, right? So the markets look great, and in the last 24 hours, these are some of the biggest movers: Aptos, Optimism, Decentraland. You see Solana that's up 19%. So those are biggest movers in the last 7 days. Biggest movers in the last the last 24 hours. The last 7 days, you're seeing Aptos, you're seeing Frax, Share, you're seeing Optimism, right, up 40%. 40% here for HBAR. 28% for ENJ. So you're seeing a lot of things that are making hella moves today, and it looks really, really great. So just know we reached over that $1 trillion market cap, well over that $1 trillion market cap. I think we're on the road to really push up and see this initial start to a bull run. Because it's more positivity on top of positivity on top of positivity. Typically, when we see any type of just run that means nothing, we just see the run, and then we'll see a day later that things get completely retraced. Well, we saw the run over the weekend, right? The last weekend. And then we see a little bit of a run over a couple of days, and then things kind of fall down because of some criticism of the crypto market and seeing another exchange, a smaller exchange that has collapsed, right? Or has committed horrible crimes, right? But right now, what you are seeing is cryptocurrency thriving, getting back to a point to where it can thrive. And it's over, a matter of, 7, 8, 10 days that we've seen this really run and consistently make some moves, some moves in the green, which is what we want to see. It makes us excited about being in the crypto market. It makes us excited about watching a lot of these videos and excited about gaining gains, right? With anything that you invest into. So anyways, guys, if you want to get some perspective on, what I am buying and selling and all that stuff, go over to my Patreon and sign up for that. The link will be in the description. So definitely check that out. Also, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about any of my other channels that are out there. I have my NFA channel, which I do have a video releasing on different positions that have been kind of exploding. So if you want that, go ahead and check that out. And that'll be posted probably somewhere around 12 or something like that. So definitely, save some time for that video. I think it's a good one. I already recorded it, and I think it's really good. So anyways, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Crypto market looks great. A lot of videos today are going to be on the fact that we're seeing green in the market. And I love being excited about the crypto market and seeing other people excited about the crypto market. So this is why I make these type of videos on these green days, because it's green. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.